We begin with the major international development that could have significant implications for India's economy and global energy markets. The United States has decided not to renew oil waivers related to Russia and Iran, a move that is expected to directly impact countries like India, which have been major buyer of discounted crude oil. Let's first understand what these waivers actually are. Oil waivers are temporary exemptions that allow certain countries to continue purchasing oil from sanctioned nations without facing penalties from the United States. In recent years, these waivers played a crucial role, especially after Western sanctions were imposed on Russia following the Russia-Ukraine war and long-standing sanctions on Iran. These exemptions gave countries like India some breathing space, allowing them to secure energy supplies at relatively lower cost. Now, in a clear policy shift, the United States has decided that these waivers will not to be extended any further. This means that any ongoing or future transactions involving Russian or Iranian oil could not face stricter scrutiny and possibly sanctions. This decision signals a tougher stance by Washington aiming to tighten economic pressures on both Russia and Iran. This is where it becomes critical for India. Over the past few years, India has significantly increased its import of Russian crude oil, mainly because it was available at discounted prices. In fact, Russia emerged as one of India's top oil suppliers, helping the country manage rising global crude prices. Iran too has historically been an important energy partner for India. So with these waivers now ending, India could face multiple challenges. First, higher import cost as cheaper Russian oil may become less accessible. Second, pressure on fuel prices, including petrol and diesel. And third, increased strains on India's energy scrutiny strategy. Now let's talk about what this could mean for the common citizens. For the common citizens, if India is forced to buy oil at higher global prices, it could lead to increased fuel prices, higher transportation costs, and eventually a rise in inflation because fuel costs affect almost every sector, from agriculture to manufacturing to daily community, and increase can have a ripple effect across the economy. This decision is not just about India. It has wider global implications. The oil market is already sensitive due to geopolitical tensions, particularly in the Middle East. One key region to watch is the Strait of Hormuz, a critical oil transit choke point through which significant portions of the world's oil supply passes. Any disruptions or added pressure in this region can push global oil prices even higher. With the US tightening restrictions, global supply could shrink further, leading to more volatility in oil markets. So what can India do now? Experts believe India has a few options: diversify its oil import by increasing purchases from other countries, strengthen strategic petroleum reserves, accelerates the shift toward renewable energy sources, and renegotiate trade mechanisms to maintain supply stability. India has already been working toward diversifying its energy baskets, but these moves could speed up those efforts. This issue also has a diplomatic dimension. India has maintained a careful balance in its foreign policy, continuing trade relations with Russia while also strengthening ties with the United States. These decisions may test that balance, forcing India to navigate complex geopolitical pressure. To sum it up, the United States' decisions to end oil waivers for Russia and Iran marks a significant shift in global energy dynamics. For India, the impact could be felt in the form of higher cost, economic pressure, and strategic challenges. At the same time, it also opens the door for India to rethink and strengthen its long-term energy strategy. So, will fuel prices rise in the coming weeks? Can India find alternative sources quickly enough? And how will this reshape global energy politics? That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe our channel.